Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today is another special day because we're here in Azure Park by Pointe Homes. We're featuring the first model here, which is really gorgeous, and also this community is booming, so that's very awesome. Easy access to the strip, lots of parks when I was driving by, so it's really nice out here. And before we proceed to the tour, let's do three things. First, let's subscribe to this channel. Second, let's like this video. And third, you're welcome to share this video to your family and friends so that they will know that there is such a thing, a beautiful home like this in this part of North Las Vegas. And if you're looking for a specific builder, feel free to check out the channel page. There is a playlist per builder there, so you'll be able to see the favorite builder that you have if you search on the playlist of this channel page. Okay, I am super excited. Let's tour this home together.
I wish you'd stay, but there you go. I have so much I wanna say to you, much I wanna say, but there's no time. We used it all, still have so much I wanna talk about, but I messed it up and there you go. Oh, 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 oh. There you go, walking out that door. It felt so close, oh, 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 so close, closer than it felt before. You'll never be forgiving me, and I just want you to know I didn't mean it. Baby, I just wanna be with you. I should be with
you. Alright guys, this is the home. Look at this beautiful architectural design. And you have those nice stonework there. That's the two-car garage, which is currently their sales office. But this is a really nice modern exterior here. I'm super excited. So let's check out this beautiful home. This is Plan 1. There's a nice door here. This stone, for some reason, is so beautiful. Right? So good. And that's the gated community, guys. This is gated. The builder is offering 3% off the base price towards your closing costs if you have a if you apply for a mortgage with their preferred lender, and there's a 10,000 design bonus on the design studio. Let's check this out. Okay guys, so you have this really open floor plan here. You have your foyer there. Let's check out the left side of this home. Okay, so this is really nice and very convenient. You have a half bathroom here. Upon opening the house, your guests can use this. Hello guys. Right? Elegant cabinetry. And then they use this, I think that is a vinyl plank, but it looks great. Again, guys, for this kind of model home, they said they usually spend about 150 to 200K, but people who bought certain homes like this did not upgrade as much as that. They only upgraded for about $85,000. Look at your beautiful kitchen here. You have nice cabinetry. And let's check out, oh wow, this is a massive pantry area. You still have some space here, right? This is a very, you can store a lot of food here. Definitely, this is for a big family, and this is your kitchen, guys. Very, very nice. They use darker cabinetry to contrast the white color of the counters. And then we can ask if we can upgrade this to a vent hood. Very advisable to have a vent hood, guys. And this is how it looks like when you're on your kitchen sink. Wow, this lighting is nice. This three lighting there. Okay, so let's visit your... Oh, I like that they extended this all the way there to your dining area, the counters and the cabinetry. I'm seeing a swimming pool there. This is how it looks like from the corner of your dining area. You have this beautiful chandelier, definitely upgraded. They use a lighter color here which contrasts the darker cabinetry. That's your dishwasher there. Okay, let's check out your beautiful living room area. Again, you can definitely make this more interesting, guys. If you will put like really nice wall tile from that side up to this side, this will pop really nice. And then you can put like a fireplace there if you want, like an electric fireplace. Very in right now. Okay, so this is how it looks like when you're at the TV area. This is a very comfy design here. Lots of brightness in here because of those double windows, and then you have that door there. And they said that, just wanted to let you know, guys, that this door, if you put the handle or the opening in the middle, that's an upgraded one. But if the door, there is a standard one where you can just put the door on the side, and that's standard. So it's just a difference of where do you open it, in the middle or on the side. Okay, so this, guys, we cannot enter the backyard because they wanted to make sure people are protected from drowning into the pool. But look at your barbecue area there. You can get an idea. They are giving you an idea. This is upgraded, guys. So they're giving you an idea of what you can put on your backyard this size, right? They were able to put this really nice spa area or a little bit of a swimming pool for this lot size. It's not the biggest lot, but it's nice that they were able to showcase that you can definitely put your water feature there and then your pool. Really nice. So that's your swimming pool. You can definitely upgrade that to a premium of $25,000 if you wanted a bigger lot. The garage is on this area, guys. That's your garage there, which is currently closed because that's their sales office. So let's visit the second floor and see what's happening there. Oh, nice railing here. Look at this, guys. Okay, let's check out your second floor here. Okay, so you have a section for your office, or you can put this as a study area for the kids. Let's probably go to the left side first. There is a door here for your linen, very spacious. And then you have a secondary bedroom, full bath. Secondary bathroom. Right, so I always mention, guys, you have this configuration, very efficient. Someone can use the toilet there and shower while someone is using the sink here. Hello, guys. So very, very efficient configuration. This is your, I believe, the very first secondary bedroom. This looks like a primary bedroom because of the space. I feel like you can fit like a king size bed in here because there's still space there. And look at this window, guys. Really large. That's the gate, right? That's the gate, and this is a gated community, which is really nice. It adds to your safety. Okay, so this is the closet. Different style. Okay. Very spacious secondary bedroom here. Okay, so let's check out what's happening on this side. You have a very spacious laundry area with cabinetry. They definitely upgraded this flooring here. And then, okay, so they use this as a gym area, but you can definitely convert this into a bedroom because there is this closet area here. Really nice mini gym area here. You got this. It's a good motivational art there. Let's go to your primary area. Oh, this is large. This closet here is pretty nice. You can definitely put like cabinetry all over and LED lighting. This will make it really nice. Welcome to your primary bedroom. This is a very spacious bedroom, guys. There's still some space there, as you can see, and this nightstand is very wide. And this is a really bright one because there is a window there. Look at this window, really large, and you have a mountain view here. Right? Really nice mountain view. This is very large in appearance when you go here in person. It's very, very large. You can definitely upgrade this into a hardwood or vinyl plank if you want. Nice lighting here. Look at this. Very unique design. Let's check out your primary bathroom. Hello, guys. So you have this double sink here, nice cabinetry, and look at your beautiful, this is a beautifully designed shower area. They use this very textural, there's a texture in here. Okay, so nice that they have that rain shower there. Because I have been mentioning that in some of my home tours that some of the model homes of other builders, they don't put that rain shower. So that's very nice to have. So that you don't have to deal with height issue there. Tall people will be able to shower there very, very nicely. Okay, very, very beautiful shower area here. And let's check out what's happening here. There is a toilet area, and then you have another linen closet. Wow, this is elegant bathroom. And then I want to mention they use this black backsplash there. Beautiful bathroom. What do you think, guys? Please comment down below. Okay, let's go back downstairs. So I can show you how it feels when you're going down your beautiful home. Okay, we're back here. Please don't forget to comment down below, guys. What do you think of this home? And I appreciate your support to this channel. We're growing so fast. Don't forget to subscribe and like and comment down below.